Okay, I'm going to show you how to add on a domain and install your own WordPress site. Okay, I'm logged into your cPanel, bendwindowworks.com. Now, for this example, let's say you're going to switch over bendblinds.com over to this cPanel. That way you only have one cPanel to log into, and you don't have to go back and forth from GoDaddy to here if you transfer all your domain names here. So let me show you how to do that. First, you click on Add on Domains. We're here in the cPanel. This is your files, your databases, your domains. Click on Add on Domain, and we're going to type in bendblinds.com. And then once I type that in, I hit the tab button and it fills everything else out for me. Go ahead and click on the Add Domain. And don't worry about Create FTP account because I don't see you doing FTP uploads. Okay, anyway, click on Add Domain. And it's gonna add it. Now, once the add-on domain name of bendblinds.com has been created. So then you go here to Home. Now we're going to install WordPress. So you scroll all the way down until you see the big W, which is WordPress. You click on that. And then you click here on Install Now. Now this is the real important part, is this. If you click bendwindowworks.com as the domain name, it's going to rewrite your entire current website. You always click here. Okay, it does this every flipping time. I don't know why, and the tech guy doesn't either. So you go to Install Now again. You click here, and then you go down to bendblinds.com. Every single domain name that you put in, it automatically does a subdomain. So when we did bendwindowworks.com, it did a subdomain. Now we're doing bendblinds.com, and then later on it'll be a subdomain there too. Okay, so you click on bendblinds.com, and you want it to be the home page, so you do not enter anything in here. You go through and you fill this out. Ben Blinds, my WordPress, okay, my Ben Blinds. Okay, now this is where you choose your admin name. So let's just super admin, and your password is have a nice day. Okay, now make sure to put your best email address in here. Okay, this is just for demo because I'm going to delete the whole domain anyway. Your language is English. Don't ever check that, because if you get locked out, you're screwed. And the advanced options, don't worry about it. This here automatically names your database. Just leave it alone. Okay, so just to recap here, what we did is you chose if it's HTTP or HTTPS. So we'll do HTTP. You chose your domain name. This is the #1 important, because you can reinstall a fresh WordPress over your current website, and you don't want to do that. So make sure you go down to the new domain name, whatever domain name you put in. Do that there. Leave this empty so WordPress shows up on your home page. Just fill in the rest of this. Pick your username and password. And I always email my details to my email address. That way, in case I forget my login information, I have a copy of it filed. So anyway, you do all that, and then you click Install. And it'll take, I don't know, 3 to 4 minutes. I'm just going to pause the video so you don't have to wait and listen to me babble. Okay, it has been installed. And now here it shows where it was installed. It was installed on benblinds.com. And here's how you log into it, benblinds.com/WordPress admin. And that's all you really have to do. To access it, just right click it and go there. But because this is just a dummy, it's not going to show up. So I am going to go back and uninstall this, but I wanted you to know how to add a domain name on and install WordPress. So I think that's about it for this video.